that you send 80s basketball to PSA and not BGS. Unless it's star, then you have to send it to BGS because PSA won't grade it. Well, all right. It looks like it is 4 o'clock. So let's get started with our 2019 Panini Immaculate Football Random Player One Box Break number 2. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. All right. Good luck, everybody. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4. And lucky number 5. And we've got Rand 4248 in the top spot. And we've got MPP 5587 in the bottom spot. So we'll just cut and paste that there. And then I'm going to cut and paste this list over to the right and sort by everyone's eBay IDs. That way it'll make it a little easier as we scroll through the list. Everybody will get to see who they have. All right. Looks like everything's in order. We will blow up our list to a very large font. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Now that we've been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. All right. First card is Ryan Kerrigan, and that is the Emerald Parallel. I believe that's exclusive to the first off the line boxes, and that's serial numbered 13 of 20. Trying to tilt it so that green picks up on the camera a little bit. Our next card is a Kyle Rudolph dual swatch, serial numbered 8 of 10. One swatch is dual color and one is single. There's the serial number, 8 of 10. Our next card, ooh, interesting. Players Collection Triple Swatch Anthony Miller autograph. Looks like that's jersey, glove. Not sure about that top one. Almost looks like a sock. Very nice card too. It's got that nice acetate substrate. Nice on-card signature. And that is serial numbered 14 of 99. And our next card, ooh, Jim Kelly, Class of 2002 signatures, or Hall of Fame signatures, I should say. 13 of 25. Very nice on-card signature. Great looking card. Again, it's on that acetate substrate. Looks fantastic. Hey, RJ. Well, you're not too late. About 10 minutes, that's all. You're making pretty good time. Really nice card. Great hit for the Kelly spot. And our next card, ooh, is a Gary Jennings Jr. Jumbo rookie jersey number swatch, patch, however you want to word that. Little 3-color. Nice jumbo swatch there. And that's serial numbered 5 of 10. Very nice. And then our last card in the box is our RPA, and it is Darius Slayton dual swatch RPA, and that is serial number 10 of 14. And again, that's the green foil parallel that's exclusive to the first off the line boxes. Nice hit for the Slayton spot. So let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. All right. So we'll go first to our Ryan Kerrigan Emerald Parallel, serial number to 20. and that goes to Bill 8475. Congrats on that. And then our Kyle Rudolph dual jersey swatch card, serial number to 10. And that goes to Sports Cards RS 757. Congrats on that. Hey Stingray, how are you doing this evening? Let's see who's next. And then our Anthony Miller Players Collection triple swatch autograph, serial number to 99. And that goes to ProLink by Sale. Congrats on that. And then our Gary Jennings Jr. Jumbo jersey number swatch, serial number to 10. And that goes to John O'Bell 28. Congrats on that. And then our Jim Kelly Hall of Fame signatures, serial number to 25. And that goes to Darren P 7660. Congrats on that. And then finally, our Darius Slayton RPA, serial number to 14. And that goes to TJS Sports Cards. Congrats on that. Alrighty. Well, that concludes our 2019 Panini Immaculate Football Random Player One Box Break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks for everybody joining us on the live feed this afternoon. I know it's a little earlier than usual, but we always appreciate it. Appreciate having everybody in the chat with us. And we'll be back here in about 5 minutes with our Clearly Authentic break. Thanks again, everybody.